Hey guys, welcome to week 2 in marketing. Today we are starting 103 and objective 104 in unit 1. A couple of things to remind you of. You can always know what's due by going to the calendar or your grade book. It shows you everything you should have done up until this point. Another thing is discussions. When we did the scavenger hunt at the beginning of the class, you should have read where discussions, unless it's a one-to-one discussion with me, you have to comment on someone else's discussion to get full credit. So if you didn't make 100 on discussion, that means you only posted. You didn't comment or ask a question of another classmates. And those discussions is our classroom talk. It's how I know you understand and you're able to talk to each other about a topic. So remember to do that. In the employment opportunities, you're going to go in, and you may already have done this, but this is part of our curriculum. You are going to take your notes, but you're going to go to cfnc.org and you're going to create an account. And they want you to complete an interest profiler, and then a career cluster survey, any career cluster of your choice, any of the 16, a basic skills survey, and then the plan for a career. And so you're going to do all that and find a minimum of 5 different careers that interest you and put them in your portfolio account, and then take a print screen of it, put it on a Google Doc, and then write and upload a brief description of the selected career. And it doesn't matter, you can choose any career, whether it's what you want to do or not. Then your second assignment is to go in and do some research and create a presentation on one of the 3 marketing careers that you explored. There's so many careers in marketing, whether it is hospitality, tourism, sports and entertainment, fashion marketing, fashion merchandising marketing. So there's so many careers in marketing, and you're going to research some careers. And that is all you have to do for 1.03. Now, Marketing Strategies 1.04, you've got your learning targets, your vocab. You've got a discussion that is opinion-based. Now, remember, you have to talk to your classmates to get full credit on this discussion. But it's talking about Mattel and their Barbies. And Barbie has been a source of controversy for years. If you look at her body measurements, she's not built like most women. So that's a discussion that I want you to read the article and then talk about your thoughts and feelings. And there's no wrong answer. Try to picture, put yourself in that position. You're going to go through the chapter lap here, pick the mix, and take notes. And turn them in here, the questions, turn them in to haiku. Then you're going to have to make some time to sit down and watch this Shark Tank episode. It is part of the curriculum. They want you to watch it. And then you're going to complete this worksheet. You click it right here, and it'll ask you to make a copy. And while you watch Shark Tank, you'll fill out this worksheet and hand it in. Okay? And you're going to look at 3 different pitches that were given to the sharks. So that is what we're doing for this week. If you have any questions, some of you have not joined the Remind. I will remind you that you don't have to do it on your phone. You can do it on the computer. But it's an easy way for you and I to stay in contact. A lot of you are already texting me and asking me questions, letting me know that haiku was acting up for you today. It's a great way for us to communicate. So, again, it's very, very important that you keep up. Some of you are a little bit behind. I don't want you to get too far behind because it's easy to procrastinate in an online class. I've taken online classes and I know how easy it is. Well, I can do this. I've got till next Monday, and then, boom, it's next Monday and you haven't done some of the assignments. So just try to keep it all use your time management. And I will talk to you folks next week.